Sheriff Joe Arpaio facing a federal judge in contempt of court charges for deliberately ignoring court orders in a racial profiling case. ABC 15's Angie Holdsworth just stepped out of the courtroom for us. And Angie, the sheriff faces fines here, sanctions, and the possibility of a criminal case.
Yeah, that's right. There's a lot at stake here, and the testimony is starting to wrap up, and you can see that we saw some protesters showing up as that testimony is starting to wrap up, and we'll see some folks coming out of the courthouse here. Now, there were two witnesses who testified today. The sheriff himself is likely to testify later this week. Now, the two people who testified today were supervisors with the human smuggling unit. The sheriff was in the courtroom the whole time, and he was listening. The plaintiffs were trying to show inadequacies in their investigations. Now, of course, 2 years ago, a judge issued an injunction against the sheriff's office to stop some of those crime sweeps. Now, that information apparently was not passed on to the lower rank and file, and there's one lieutenant who actually testified that he was directly ordered to disobey that injunction, and he also said that one of the rules that prevails in the sheriff's office is that they need to make the sheriff look good to the media and the public. Now, the sheriff all along has denied racial profiling, but he did acknowledge disobeying some of the judge's orders. Now, the testimony is going to be continuing throughout the week. It starts up again at 9 a.m. Live here in downtown Phoenix, Angie Holdsworth, ABC 15 News.
Angie, thank you.